All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and today we're going to do a kind of quick run and gun. Sorry if the audio is a little funky because this is my new studio setup and may have to do some work on that because a whole lot of stuff has changed. Now we're going to put up some video of the old studio setup. It was cluttered, it was busy. This is less so. So we're going to go over what changed and how my setup has evolved. Now the biggest change is, well, to the back. No longer have my wife and a bunch of stuff in the back of the room. Pay no attention to the pile of stuff that's still not set up. But I've moved everything into the back part of this office. Very crappy Canon printer. Unfortunately, my cats broke my brother printer and I can't replace it. So we moved filing cabinet over there. Got the black desk that you've seen me do builds on sitting there. My wife's stuff and my wife's desk. Now she's getting a third monitor. Unfortunately, the planned monitor we went to use requires spacers that we don't have anymore because long gone. They were sitting on her desk. So unfortunately, right now she's only got 2 monitors. Her PC is set up over there. The floor plan is now very open, so a lot more room for me to do things and actually shoot videos instead of being crammed in an itty bitty little corner. Because remember, that's where I was before. So definitely a very updated setup and something that we kind of needed. Setup, that's currently what it would look like. Screen type capture videos where I'm filming with a camera above my monitors. My other computer will be my view instead of the back of my wife's computer monitors and, well, junk. Environment that actually looks good, so I'm really happy about that. And yes, the bare wall will be fixed. So I'm sorry if the audio and the lighting isn't the greatest, but I'm still reorganizing, trying to get everything set back up because it's a lot. So hope you enjoyed my new studio. If you want to see more videos filmed in the studio, hit subscribe. And as always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.